Okay, next we're bringing you breaking news. We're receiving, as we speak, the president of the country, as we speak, has given her assent to the 3 new criminal law bills that will be replacing the IPC, the CrPC and the Evidence Act. Remember, these bills were passed by the Lok Sabha in the virtual absence of the opposition. 97 suspended opposition MPs while the Lok Sabha passed the 3 criminal bills. Only MPs from the AIMIM and the Shrimani Akali Dal raised concerns about the bill. They were some of the only parties that were still there. Now, the key opposition to these bills have been, at least those that were expressed in the parliament, were that it could bring a police state by giving the government unbridled power. At the same time, the BJP has argued that these bills are bringing a much needed fresh coat of paint to laws that were set up in colonial times. Now, again, the opposition has argued this is the BJP's way of putting their footprint on history. They've argued that there were no need for these changes. Now, again, to that, the BJP has said no, changes were very much needed. You had Amit Shah, and you can see him on your screen right now. He's the Home Minister. You can see him talking about those bills. At the same time, remember, the opposition was hoping he'd address the breach. He didn't. But let's go to my colleague Pallavi to understand more. Pallavi, we were just telling our audiences about 5 days ago, in the absence of 97 suspended MPs, the Lok Sabha had passed these 3 criminal bills. Now the president has approved them. They're effectively put into place. What happens now?
So basically, any law to become a law, any bill which is cleared or inside Parliament only actually comes into effect when it is notified and
Okay, we'll look to re-establish that connection with my colleague Pallavi. The 3 laws that will be effectively looking at 3 different sections, the CrPC, as we're telling you, the Evidence Act, the IPC, those codes are now going to be restructured. Lawyers, police are all going to be affected by these changes in the systems. Now, we're going to move on. We were not able to establish that connection. Let's go to a different story now.